girl, welcome to my channel. Summer is right around the corner, so you know we got to get our toes right. So in this video I'll be showing you how I do my at-home pedicure, and this is my setup. I'm on my feet a lot, so Epsom salt is an absolute must for me. I get a good amount of that going into my pedicure bowl. I just started using tea tree oil, and I would never go back again because of the great benefits that it has for your feet. Yeah. Now my foot spa does have heat, but sometimes it still gets a little cooler than my liking. So I like to take my kettle, fill it with water, get it boiling, and I will add the water in there as I please as my temperature changes. And this has been such a good add-on for my pedicures. The first step before I put my feet in the spa, I like to go ahead and clip my toenails to my desired length. And after I clip my toenails, it is time to file it to my desired shape. I usually like to do a nice square. I know you're not really supposed to go across like that, but that's just how I do it. You can do your shape to your desired preference. Now you want to soak your feet. I do mine for about 20 to 30 minutes. Also, if you have any type of soap that you would like to put in there to get the bubbles going, I would recommend using that. I didn't currently have none at the moment, but get comfortable, sit back, turn you something good on TV, get you some wine, play some music, and relax. After you have soaked, go ahead and start pushing your cuticles back. After you push your cuticles back and also clean under your toenails, we're going to take our cuticle nippers, and I like to clip my cuticles and also the sides of my toes as well, the skin on that side wall, which I usually primarily focus on the big toe and the baby toe for that. Ball of Destiny, shout out to you, girl, put me onto this. I got that from Amazon, and that is what I like to use for my pedicures now. It's also what they use in the shops. So I start off with this scrub, and I really like to focus that on the heels of my foot because that is where it gets the driest. After rinsing off the scrub, I like to go in with the grater. I know a lot of people say don't use this. It's supposed to be used by professionals only, but I'm considered a professional, so I use it. And even if I wasn't, I'm using it because it works for me. But I don't know how y'all get pedicures, because when I say it tickles my feet so bad, I have a hard time doing it myself. But it's even worse when I go to a salon. I just don't know how y'all do it. But this is the results of that, and I just keep going until I'm satisfied. Next, I go in with the mask. I let that sit on my feet for a couple of minutes, and I relax while that's on there, and after I rinse it off. After getting the mask removed, I do go and rinse my feet better in the shower. And then I take the massage butter and I just massage it into my feet. That's the texture of it. And you can use any kind of foot lotion you have, or if you want to use oil or Vaseline, that is your choice. Don't make the mistake I did and forget to use this. Always use your pumice stone. Get it nice and smooth after you use your grater. This right here, y'all, is another game changer. Let me tell you. I'm gonna put you on real quick. This is a face mist humidifier. I had the thought to I'm jumbling my words, y'all. Forgive me. I had the thought to put this under my step stool that I had my foot on and get a good mist for my feet, and it felt good. I felt like I was doing something, so I think I'll start adding this in there too. So before I polish my toes, I do go in with alcohol and I just take the shine off of my toenails so I can have a good application. And I got this off Amazon as well. It helps me not hurt my back when I'm painting my toes. Y'all say hi to Carmelo laying back there in the background. I started using this as well before my applications to start strengthening my nails back up due to having gel polish on them. I no longer use gel polish on my toenails. I use regular polish. I want to do a classic French style for my nails, so I'm going in with this base color by OPI. Yeah, I was really hoping that this wouldn't mess up since I'm not using the gel polish, but it turned out to be pretty good. I feel like next time I'll do a better job at this, but you know, it all worked out. After I've added my top coat and everything is dry, I take my cuticle oil and I rub it all along my cuticles. And this is the finished product. It's not perfect, but it did what it needed to do. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.